Hello, little readers. Welcome to Alphabet Land. Today, we'll meet all the letters from A to Z. Let's learn their names, their sounds, and some fun words. Are you ready? Let's go! This is letter A. A. A says apple. A is for apple. Shiny and red. Crunch it up before bed. This is letter B. B. B says balloon. B is for balloon. Floating in the sky, flying up, up so high. This is letter C. K. C says cat. C is for cat. Playful and sweet, purring softly by your feet. This is letter D. D. D says dog. D is for dog. Wagging his tail, running fast on the trail. This is letter E. E. E says elephant. E is for elephant. Big and grand, marching proudly on the land. This is letter F. F. F says fish. F is for fish, swimming in the sea, blowing bubbles happily. This is letter G. G. G says giraffe. G is for giraffe, tall and bright, reaching leaves with all its might. This is letter H. H. H says hot. H is for hot. On my head, keeping me warm in bed. This is letter I. I says ice cream. I is for ice cream. Cold and sweet, a yummy treat to eat. This is letter J. J. J says jellyfish. J is for jellyfish, swimming in the sea, wiggly Jiggly happily. This is letter K. K. K says kite. K is for kite. Flying up high, soaring across the sky. This is letter L. L. L says lion. L is for lion. Brave and strong, with a mighty roar all day long. This is letter M. M. M says moon. M is for moon, shining so bright, lighting up the night. This is letter N. N. N says nest. N is for nest, cozy and small, safe for baby birds, one and all. This is letter O. O. O says orange. O is for orange, juicy and round, the sweetest fruit to be found. This is letter P. P. P says penguin. P is for penguin, sliding on the ice, waddle waddle, oh so nice. This is letter Q. Q. Q says queen. Q is for queen, royal and fair, wearing a crown in her hair. This is letter R. R. R says rainbow. R is for rainbow, colors so bright, painting the sky with light. This is letter S. S. S says sun. S is for sun, shining all day, chasing the clouds away. This is letter T. T. T says turtle. T is for turtle, slow and steady, always patient, always ready. This is letter U. U. U says umbrella. U is for umbrella, keeping me dry when raindrops fall from the sky. This is letter B. B. B says violin. B is for violin. Playing a tune, dancing notes beneath the moon. This is letter W. W. W says whale. W is for whale. Big and blue, swimming in the ocean too. This is letter X. X. X says xylophone. X is for xylophone. Music so sweet, topping rhythms with your feet. This is letter Y. Y. Y says yo-yo. Y is for yo-yo, spinning around, up and down, without a sound. This is letter Z. Z. Z says zebra. Z is for zebra. Black and white, running fast with all its might. Yeah, little readers, you did it! You learned all the letters from A to Z. Hip hip hooray! And that's the end of our story. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more exciting story. See you!